Welcome to Peggy's Homesteading Adventures. Seasons of Change. Join Peggy as she experiences the changing seasons on her homestead and adapts to the challenges that come with it. Peggy clears out spent plants and sows cool weather crops, readying her garden for fall. With hay bales and wooden panels, Peggy builds a snug shelter to keep her animals warm during winter. Peggy proudly displays her plump pumpkins, carving cheerful faces for Halloween. Peggy and Biscuit playfully leap into piles of golden leaves, laughing in the crisp autumn air. Using an old cider press, Peggy squeezes fresh apple juice, filling her kitchen with a sweet aroma. Among the bushes, Peggy spots a family of rabbits, their twitching noses and fluffy tails a delightful sight. With a crackling fire and starlit sky, Peggy and her friends share stories and roast marshmallows. A timid cat finds refuge in Peggy's barn, soon becoming part of her homestead cat family. With needles clicking, Peggy knits colorful scarves from wool sheared from her sheep. As snowflakes gently blanket her homestead, Peggy smiles, grateful for the warmth of her home and the companionship of her animals. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's homestead adventures.